everyone, this is Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet. Eureka Crystal Beads sent me their latest collection for free so I can open it up and show you what's inside. Stick around for my favorite part where I show all the individual products up close. Or if you just can't wait, you can find the affiliate link to these products in the video description. The latest collection from Eureka Crystal Beads is Sugar Rush. Let's go ahead and unbox it. It comes with this inspirational image that's a close-up of these brightly colored hard candies. And they provide this beautiful explanation about the collection. They do say it so well, calling it bright, bold, and sweet. On the inside is a complete list of all the products that are included. And here are the beads, crystals, and findings that we're going to get all organized. We have some seed beads, beautiful Krakowski crystals and pearls, check glass beads. These are Chinese crystal rondelles and all the findings. This is a signature mix of Miyuki seed beads called Sugar Rush. What a fun mix of colors and sizes along with these white bugle beads. Plus these size 8 Toho triangle seed beads. They're in a transparent rainbow topaz. And some size 11 Miyuki deligas in an opaque orange AB. You can see the finish right there. And this is a large 7.6 gram tube. Next, we're going to look at the 3 types of check glass beads they included in the collection. These are 2mm fire polish. This hyacinth iris luster finish really coordinates with these delicas. Look at the juicy color on these 2-hole mini duos. They're in an opaline, a 2.5-inch tube. And then there's also these ginkgo leaf beads. This is called slushy orange. The one side has almost a metallic and crystal mixed in the back of them. Is this full-on metallic. And now we have the beautiful crystals to look at. Like I said earlier, these are all by Krakowski, even the pearls. These are the 8mm crystal chatons. The color is sunflower. And 3 more is an opaline. And something really nice about these is the deep point on the back. Plus 2 colors, a 12mm Rivolis. This is the rose. And this is the light cyan. And there's 72 of these 3mm crystal bicones in the color light cyan. And there is a bag of 50 of these 6mm rice pearls. What a beautiful white. I feel like these Eureka Crystal Bead collections are just not complete without a large strand of their beautiful Chinese crystal rondelles. And these are in the sun iris color. All the findings that we're going to look at are from Gleamcraft. These are pink enamel connectors, silver plated toggle clasp, crescent hook ear wires with a loop, and a pair of lever back ear wires. So many bright and fun colors in this collection. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and until next time, have a beautiful day.